Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Ray, and I am Jessie Ray. So in today's video, I'm just going to be installing this wig here. This is the exact same wig that I revamped in my previous video. I'll be sure to link it either here or here. Not sure which side it's on, but I'll be sure to link it up here as well as in the description box for you guys, so you can see what it looked like before I put it on my head. So yeah, really not gonna be doing too much talking in this video. It's just a install video. So if you guys want to see how I installed this wig here, please be sure to keep on watching. And if you're new here and you have not subscribed, be sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. And also, yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. So we're gonna hop right on into it. Alright, y'all, this is the finished look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you see more videos like this from me. And again, guys, thanks so much for watching. All thanks to y'all, actually reached my goal for this month. My goal was to reach 675 subscribers, and I actually passed that probably by like maybe 2 or 3, not sure, but overall I met my goal. I was only able to meet this goal with the help of you guys, so I really appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for the love, for the support, for the likes, for the comments, for subscribing, and a special thanks to y'all, to those who have that notification bell on. Like, I mean, just hop on it. I appreciate y'all so much. And again, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.